Hello, and welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we're going to deviate from the formula a little bit, and I've only got one box.
Wait, what?
I know, don't be mad, but this is a great box, I swear. It's got 3 pieces in it. One of them isn't uranium glass. Stop. I know one of them isn't uranium glass, but you have never seen a piece of glass that looked like this before. And 2 of them are absolutely uranium glass, and they're all 3 from my favorite maker in the whole wide world,
Portieux Vallerysthal.
Now, I can't really pronounce the name of this company correctly, and I feel the weight and pressure of future YouTube coming down upon me. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to let this voiceover pronounce the name of the company for me. Enjoy!
What's in the box?
Let's check out the box. One box. One beautiful box shipped through Belgium. So with these videos, sometimes I'll wait until I have enough to record them all. But today, I could not wait. Packed very well. Thank you so much. Look at these babies. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Now, if you are a fan of this series and you've seen all of our earlier episodes, you'll remember that I purchased the DVD catalog for this company online. And before I made this purchase, because it was quite a bit to buy 3 pieces of glass and have them shipped over here, I verified that these are all
Portieux Vallerysthal.
You know, this really reminds me a lot of that other piece, the one we unboxed with the 2 Boston and Sandwich Hanoi tumblers. It's gorgeous. Flea bites, but I mean, this is super old, and it came all the way over here from Europe. I'm interested to see this one because the color looks not quite right to me. Not for the yellow that I collect, but we'll see. Oh my God, it's huge.
That's what she said.
I don't have a problem with this color. I don't have a problem with this color. Oh God. Wow. Wow. This just leveled my French glass collection up. Incredible. All right. Now I opened the 2 Vaseline glass ones first because I know that's what you're here for. So feel free to skip ahead to this timestamp if you just want to see them glow under the black light. But if you want to see this last non-Vaseline glass, non-uranium glass piece, here we go. Okay, here we go. So why would I buy this, you'd ask? It's not Vaseline glass. Well, it's high whimsy. If you can see it, which you'll see in the close-up or later, this is a drunk hanging onto a lamppost. Yeah, and there's grapes all around it. He's got his bottle of wine.
Someone say wine?
He's acting a fool. I don't know anyone like this in my life, and so I don't feel inspired or that the sense of humor really hits home.
Sure, Jan.
But it's pretty whimsical, right? Oh, it's so good. It's so fucking funny. Here's the haul for today, huh? What do you think? Pretty great, right? I love this. I love that I was able to identify it ahead of time. I also identified this ahead of time too, and it's really fabulous. And then this guy, something I saw for hundreds of dollars for sale, and then I got it for like 30 bucks, 30 euro at least. But he's so funny, and maybe one day I'll be able to find it in Vaseline glass. But I love it. I hope you love it too. Now let's take these two and get them under the black light and watch them glow. During filming, I didn't realize that the candlestick was actually made of manganese glass, which can have a faint green glow under UV light. Here's a video of manganese glass and Vaseline glass next to each other. You can see that the Vaseline glass with uranium in it has a much brighter glow than the manganese glass. That's all the content we've got for you today. Thanks so much for tuning in to another installment of What's in the Box. I hope you enjoyed this really cool unboxing of
Portieux Vallerysthal.
These are some great pieces, and I'm really going to look forward to keeping them in my collection for probably the rest of my life. I'm Paul from Glass in the Dark, and until next time, happy hunting.